How to get to the first message on Instagram. This tutorial shows you a few different ways to jump back to the very beginning of a chat. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. From there, open the specific direct message conversation you want to scroll to the top of. After that, tap directly above the username at the top of the chat. Every time you tap there, it'll load more of the conversation upward, gradually working its way toward the very first message. At this point, keep tapping in that same spot until you've reached the beginning of the chat. If your conversation is very long and you'd rather not keep tapping over and over, there's a faster method too. Following this, tap the username of the person at the top of the chat. From here, tap Search. At this stage, type in a specific word or phrase you remember from that early message. Following this, tap on the result once it shows up. This brings you directly to that message within the chat instead of scrolling manually. If neither of those works, downloading your full chat history is the most reliable option. From here, tap your profile picture at the bottom right. At this stage, tap the three lines, which takes you directly to Settings. Following this, tap Account Center. From here, scroll down and tap your Information and Permissions. At this stage, tap Export Your Information. Following this, log back into your account when prompted. From here, tap Create Export. At this stage, select your Instagram account. Following this, tap Export to Device. From here, set the format to HTML. At this stage, tap Customize Information. Following this, clear all first. From here, only select Messages, making sure nothing else is checked, since this keeps the download smaller and faster. At this stage, tap Date Range and select All Time, so it covers your entire account history. Following this, tap Save. From here, tap Start Export.
Once the export finishes processing, you'll get an email with your data ready to download. At this stage, open that file, find the conversation you're looking for, and scroll through to view the messages from the very beginning. That's how you get to the first message on Instagram. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!